What's going on, guys? Nero from UK Mobile Review. We're here at LG's Mobile World Congress 2014 stand. Next to me is the lovely Sean Musgrave from LG Electronics, who's the UK and Ireland Product Marketing Manager. Over to you, Sean, to talk about Knockcode and the L Series 3.
Special thanks to Sennheiser for lending us the EW100 and ME2 microphones, and Sony for lending us the RX100 Mark II camera for our Mobile World Congress coverage. Check out the links in the description below.
Yep, so one of the key features that we're introducing here today is our new and innovative way to actually open up your handset using Knockcode. Now, we understand that people actually access or use their handset almost 110 times during the course of the day, or approximately every 6 minutes. And obviously the information is secure, it needs to be secure. So bearing in mind we had Knock On, which is an innovative way to switch on the screen or wake up your phone, we've taken that a step forward, introducing Knockcode. So on the L40 here, which is part of the L Series 3 range, we've got Knockcode, and then Knockcode will be available across the entire series of L Series range, the G Series range, and also future tablets. To introduce Knockcode, it's a sequence of 2 to 8 different tap combinations on the screen, and it can't be just a simple double tap as you do on a Knockcode. It has to be in a sequence. So in this respect, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, which will wake up the screen as you see here. I can still double tap to actually to knock the screen off, but if I actually want to do the same 4 taps in one particular area, as you'll notice, it won't wake up the screen. Has to be the same combination, and you can do it in as small or as large an area as you want. So I could do 1, 2, 3, 4, and as you can see, it wakes up the screen. Yeah. So it's timely that we're actually using this on the L40. L40 is the lowest handset within the L Series 3 range. We use MWC as a launch platform to introduce L Series into the industry. We've had great success with L Series 2 and the original L Series 2 years ago. So what's different? The minimum performance on the L Series would be 1.2 dual core performance. That's really, really powerful for a handset which is packing a 3.5 inch display. You also have a 3 megapixel camera, but the latest Android platform will be available on this device. We're featuring Android KitKat. Yeah, so just to see the software information, just to be aware. As you can see, it's running Android 4.4.2. Yeah. We'll have a lot of the intuitive features that we introduced onto from G2, such as plug and pop, clip tray, and guest mode. Guest mode being whereby you can actually give your phone to a child or a friend and actually use a different unlock pattern, whereby introducing them to a different area to what's actually on the main phone. So these are great features which, as I said, have been lifted off the G2, which is now on our low to mid-entry handsets. We also have the L70, which is a slightly bigger screen at 4.5 inch display, also dual core with a 5 megapixel camera. And lastly, we have the L90 at 4.7, which is quad-core performance with an 8 megapixel camera and 8 gig internal memory. So that makes up the L Series range at LG 2014.
Special thanks to Sean for joining us for this video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to check out the rest of our videos and all of our MWC coverage, our MWC portal. I'll see you in the next video.